YouTube keywords are important because they communicate to the algorithm about the type of content you create, the specific kind of audience you target. Keywords help you optimize your videos, which helps you rank in search results, allowing more people to find you. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 7. Use your YouTube analytics. If you haven't tapped into your YouTube analytics, you're sitting on a gold mine. This is because YouTube Analytics allows you to know the exact keywords that people use to find your videos. You can get your YouTube Analytics by clicking on your icon and going to your YouTube studio, then select Reach. Reach tab gives you a summary of how your audience is discovering your channel, which helps you to know where people are finding your channel or your videos, and how they are finding them. On the bottom of the Reach page, there is a YouTube search option that gives you a good indication of whether your YouTube keyword strategy is effective, and if not, it helps you understand the areas that need to be optimized. More often than not, analytics show you the keywords that you're already optimizing for in your videos, which is a good sign that your video SEO efforts are earning you some pretty sweet rewards. But sometimes you can find a keyword that you're not optimizing for. Adding that keyword to your description, title, and tags can help you rank even higher on YouTube. Analytics help you know what is working and what is not, and help you find ways to heal the weak keywords and optimize on the strong ones. Number 6. Use your competitors' most popular keywords. Finding video keywords doesn't need to be a headache. You can find keywords that can blow up your videos and drive mad traffic to your channel from other channels in a similar niche. You don't have to do your keyword research from scratch, which can be time-consuming and demotivating at times. To get your keywords almost fuss-free, go to one of your competitors' channels and see how they've created their content. Take a look at their titles and descriptions to find out what keywords they have used to make their videos popular. For example, if your niche is tech gadget reviews, find tech channels that are specific to gadget reviews and look at their titles, descriptions, and how they've done their tags. It is important to avoid channels that have more subscribers than yours does and find those that have around the same number of subscribers as yours, or are a little more popular than yours. This is because some of the mega channels don't optimize their keywords. After all, they already have a large following that will watch their videos regardless. But if you're looking into optimizing your keywords, a channel that's about the size of your channel is the best option to look for popular keywords. After you find your best channels, click on their videos tab and click on their most popular playlist. This allows you to know which of their videos got the most views. In the popular videos list, look at the keywords that the creators have used in their titles and descriptions, and voila! You just got yourself quite many converting keywords that you can use to optimize your videos and start getting those awesome, much anticipated views. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused because the following strategies are going to be a game changer for you. Number 5. Use long tail keywords from your competitors' tags. What are long tail keywords? These are keywords that are low search, low competition, and specific, which makes their conversion rate much higher than their general keywords. For example, a general keyword is a title such as meditation sounds, while a long tail title of the same topic would be something like amazing meditation sounds for positive energy. As we mentioned before, long tail keywords are low search, meaning that they're not competitive, which makes them easier to rank. You can find long tail keywords in your competitors' videos in your niche by using 2 methods, both of which are not complicated to use. Find the page's HTML of your competitor to search for the keywords. All you have to do is right-click on the page and click View Page Source. This allows you to see the page's HTML code. Use Ctrl F on Windows and Command F on Mac to show the search bar and type in the video's keywords. Any other terms showing up after keywords are that video's tags. If you're using tools such as vidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can see the video's keywords on the page. You can find tags that have the best long-tail keywords, which you can use on your videos, and find yourself ranking on top of search results. You also get to know the long-tail keyword tags your competitor is using on their videos and take advantage of those that haven't been used, and have a high search volume to help you rank your videos. Number 4. Search for trending keywords. You may be asking yourself, why should I search for trending keywords when I can use other creators' keywords? We'll tell you exactly why. Trending keywords are new. This means that they're not competitive yet, and when you are among the first ones to use them, you have early access, which is advantageous for your videos in the sense that there is low competition and high search volumes. Your video is discovered early on, and you can take advantage of the explosive success when the topic becomes mainstream. How do you find trending topics that haven't been tapped into by other creators? With a tool known as Exploding Topics. It's a free tool that digs through the web to find topics that more people are searching for. Exploding Topics springs up keywords that are, well, exploding on the net. What's more, the tool allows you to sort the topics by different categories and time frames, which helps you to find keywords that are fine-tuned to fit your video topics. For example, if your channel is in the beauty niche, you can choose categories such as beauty tips, toxin-free products, among others, and see topics that are blowing up. You can use those topics on your videos and get explosive keywords that don't have high competition. Find trending keywords using Exploding Topics if you want to target trending keywords or find those that are easy to rank. Number 3. Use YouTube SEO Chrome extensions. Searching and finding a list of promising keywords is an important first step, but if you don't know which keywords to incorporate in your video topics, you're not alone. Many YouTubers get minimal activity on their videos because they don't know which keywords to go for. But now you can, with the help of YouTube SEO Chrome extensions. These are extensions that allow you to run keyword searches directly in Google Search. Some of the most commonly used extensions by YouTubers are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Both tools do the same job of helping you find keywords that you can use on your videos. Go with the tool that you feel works best for you. For example, vidIQ has a Chrome extension that pops up on the right side of your YouTube channel when you search for videos. To see keyword search volume and competition on the vidIQ Chrome extension on YouTube, all you need to do is search for one of your potential keywords, and the extension shows you the results of your keyword. And you even get an overall score, which takes the number of searches and competition into account. The extension also gives you an additional related keyword section, which is a great way to find related keywords that would be difficult to find. Make use of these extensions to find high search volume and low competition keywords, and create videos that convert impressions into clicks. Number 2. Video result keywords. Ranking on top of YouTube search is a great milestone, but ranking your video on YouTube and Google search results is even better. This is because more people can find your video when they see you on top of Google pages and click through. Google only shows video results on their search page with certain keywords, which are known as video result keywords. Video results pop up on Google pages when people search for certain keywords that Google thinks will make sense in a video. For example, if you have a tutorial video on how to learn Python for programmers, Google can get your video in the results pages if it feels like your video is relevant to the searches people are conducting. For you to know if your videos can rank on Google search results, search for the keywords you want to use and see the results that pop up. If there is no video in the results, it means that Google doesn't deem that keyword as a video result keyword. When your keyword search unveils one or more YouTube videos in the search results, it means that you found a video result keyword, which is super important. Using that video result keyword gives you a chance to rank your video in Google search results, which can lead to a ton of additional views and traffic to your channel and other videos. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1, take advantage of suggested word tools. Have you ever noticed that YouTube suggests certain keywords for you when you search for long-tail keywords? While there's nothing wrong with that, the platform only shows you less than 10 suggestions per keyword. But what if we told you that there was a way you could find more suggested long-tail keywords? Piques your interest, doesn't it? Well, there are free keyword tools you can use to find your best keywords. Tools such as KParser give you more suggested long-tail words than YouTube ever could. And it is very easy to use. All you have to do is enter a topic idea into the tool and they start searching YouTube suggested results. For example, if you key in your long-tail keywords such as amazing meditation sounds for positive energy, hundreds of keyword ideas. This is a great way to optimize your keywords and find the best keywords for your videos. You can also use tools such as this one to optimize your playlist titles because they can give you the best suggested keywords. Just enter the title of your video and search. The tool gives you thousands of suggested YouTube options and even ranks them for you. This helps you to know the best long-tail keywords to use to optimize your titles and help them rank higher. Even when you're using other strategies, taking advantage of free tools such as KParser can help you find the best keywords for your videos. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.